here.
Is this a camel?
No,
Yeah, I think so. That's a camel, Desiree. Get off the camel. Leave a poor camel alone. Behind you.
Come ride my camel.
Oh, it's weird. I didn't touch it, but I think my phone did. And it went like this.
No, that's right.
Here, get one with my phone too.
Camera? Phone. Oh, okay, there's a button. Go. Ugh. Okay, ready? Stop it. Stop it, okay? You ready? Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Dude, I would so use this one.
Of course you would. Pumping my gas, baby.
Come here, Desiree. Let me see if you can gas tank.
Come on.
That would have been a funny picture.
You're like, good boy. This is very organized. Slippers.
Where?
Over here.
Look at
Oh, these are lame.
This is a funny looking slipper.
These are slipper socks. Slipper socks are stupid.
I put the
I love slipper socks.
I do not.
These are good for Dad's house. We can slip
No, they're stupid.
We should pick a pair.
See, like normal slippers.
We should pick some.
Ducks.
I like these. They're just like ballerina.
I like ones that go over my heels and I can't fall out of them.
Me too.
Dude, we need to put all these.
You're a freak. Hold on.
Big retarded.
She's very comfortable.
Wait. Where's that?
Draco Malfoy. Suitcases like there's no tomorrow. Well, these are pretty much like G's clothes. Ooh. I want these. I really do. Wouldn't I look like a G in these?
I have to look like Jamie.
Huh, no. I want these.
I look like a
Oh, Desiree.
Yes, I look.
G-ish.
Yeah, okay, Nina.
Pop my collar, bitch.
No.
You can't pop your collar in that shirt,
Shut
you idiot. It is where you would be interested, wouldn't you?
It's so intimate.
That's intense. This is called the intimate top section. This is not intimate.
Oh yeah. Huh!
Yeah, she came off.
Why are you using claws?
Because I'm interested.
They're all like.
If only they were.
foam.
If only they were wooden. Purple. Purple nurple?
Look at me, I'm naked.
Holy Jesus. Oh shit.
To tell you the truth, I actually forgot my pants like I'm so
You
scared.
guys, I want these socks.
I want these.
I want these.
SpongeBob one.
I already got them. Oh, those are different. Those are different. They're okay. They're okay.
Dude, they would be like unmatching.
I love it whenever I get a new pair of socks and I still wear the opposite colors.
Let's all get socks.
Why do you get two pairs?
I deserve 2 pair.
No, you don't.
Right, so do I.
You know what? I do too. I don't want these.
If you're getting 2 pair, you get a small pair. Small pair.
I'm getting 2 pairs. These are literally 2 pairs.
No, you get a
Same
small pair.
prices.
Small pair. You get small pair.
One,
What do
two,
these
three, four,
say?
five, six.
Oh, they say post.
You either get one of these, or you can get 2.
I want this one.
You get one of. Which one do you want? I love you. Socks, 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 socks,
I have
socks,
mine.
socks, 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 socks. Sounds like I'm
This time we
playing
need
sex.
to find them before like
You guys,
they pay.
sounds like I'm playing sex. Yeah, let's go find them.
Sex, sex, sex.
Socks, 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 socks,
Oh, I was
socks.
actually saying sex.
I was saying socks. Let's go. Or this way.
Socks are pretty big.
Dude, I like this one.
These are weird.
There's rainbows on it.
Yeah, it's the whole point.
Rainbow.
Alright, let's go find them.
Okay, before they pay.
Honestly.
Tents, you guys, look at the tents way over there.
Inside.
Oh,
Ready? Ready? Set. 1, 2, 3, let's.
let's go look at
Bless
the
you. Tents are right there.
Look.
I had to point.
Are you recording my dog?
That's right. Right there.
These are actually
Holy shit! I can't believe how comfortable that is. Tents are right there.
the little ones are 20.
Memory foam. Get up.
No, wait, I want to get a picture.
Uh-uh.
Katrina, act like you're having sexual intercourse with Tabitha.
Oh, look, it's still recording.
Oh.
Sexual intercourse. You want to see it? Want to see it? This is. This is really.
It's okay. All
That's
I wanted to
really
do was slide
soft.
on it and then get up.
Wait, I want to get this really small tent. I want this tent, you guys. It's so itty bitty.
How much is it?
I don't know. It's like $19, but it's itty bitty. That's that one. I think this one. I want the small one.
Hey, look, a dog kid.
That's what I want.
Found Addie and your dad.
That's the piece. There's the piece, guys.
Let's go.
Why do you want to go back?
We have to
gotta ask him if he can have socks.
Dad! Eddie! Socks! Nina, come on.
Stupid lamp.
Then you had a light bulb.
What kind of lamp is that?
Oh, ridiculous. Nina, come on.
You work hard like a giant bird.
Nina said you would really.
cutest little shape I have ever seen
That's the
in
cutest.
my life. No, I'm taking a picture.
Good match.
Yes. I have to pee. Wait, do it again. I didn't get that.
Think they match?
Yes. I have to pee.
Yeah, we have to ask them if we can have these.
And I have to pee. No, look at restroom. See that? Look sign. Right there. Yeah, that's my dad. He's right there. We see you. There's Nina. There's Desiree. There's Daddy. There's Dad. There's the restroom.
Yeah.
Socks.
How much are they? $4.99.
Yeah.
$4.99
each?
Yep.
Okay, you know what your dad's gonna say, right?
Yes.
Only one.
Say only
I want socks. I have to pee. Record for me. Well, I dropped your socks. It's all blurry.
Pick up my socks.
Katrina, come record for Taba.
Remember when I bought all the school
You good? Both?